Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of SD Biosensor standard Q Ultra-Dot HIV test kit. This is basically a 50 test kit box, and this is how the box looks like. The 3-dot HIV kit. So let me go around the box for you. This is how the box looks like. Standard Q Ultra-Dot HIV, which is a third generation visual rapid and sensitive immunoassay to detect circulating antibodies against HIV 1 and 2 in human serum plasma. The test is for in-vitro diagnostic use and is intended as an aid to early diagnosis of HIV infection. That's what it is. Okay, let me go through that on the box. This is manufactured by the SD Biosensor from India. This is the key contents. This 50 test kit box contains the standard Q HIV cassettes 50 and specimen transfer device 50. And we got the buffer bottle 5 bottles and micro tube 50 and instruction for use. All these boxes has 2 years of expiry. Okay, let me go through inside this box. You can see the 5 partitions which each has 10 cassettes. You can also see the box has the instruction, the test procedure. You can see the test procedure is given in detail. Okay, let me unbox this. You can see you have an instruction manual. So there's an instruction manual. Like an IF instruction for use brochure which contains the detailed details about the complete testing procedure. It talks about the test. Okay, let me go through this for you. It talks about the testing preparation and test procedure and also how do you interpret the results. Look at as I said, instruction for use brochure contains the preparation for the test and also the testing procedure, and you have got the interpretation of test results. So this is the IFE brochure. Okay, let me keep it here actually. Yeah. So if you look at you have 50 in a single pouch. You got a 50 specimen transfer device. Yeah, here it is, you can see. And you also got 5 buffer bottles inside. Let me take one for you. Here it is. So it is basically 5 ml bottle and you got 5 bottles. This is how the bottles looks like. Yeah, let me keep this out here. And if you look at there are 2 test let me take 2 test cassettes to show you. Okay, here the ones. I'm just going to keep both the sides to show you. You can see how the test cassettes look like. And also if you look at everything, there is a 2 years of expiry. Almost like you got almost 18 months. So this is how the total kit looked like. So the SD Biosensor standard Q Ultra-Dot HIV test kit contains it is a 50 test kit box. This contains 50 test cassettes and 5 buffer bottles, and you got 50 specimen transfer devices and 1 instruction manual for use. This is how the total kit look like. Just to show you in detail. This is how the total kit looks like. Thank you.